How to use rhymes and songs to master English pronunciation and stress. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fun yet super useful topic. How to use rhymes and songs to remember pronunciation and stress patterns in English. Yes, you heard it right. Rhymes and songs can be your best friends when you're learning English pronunciation and stress patterns. Rhymes and songs are an engaging way to practice English. They stick in your mind easily, and guess what? They make learning enjoyable. But that's not all. Mnemonic devices. Rhymes and songs act as mnemonic devices, helping you remember complex stress patterns and pronunciation rules. Natural rhythm. Songs, especially, expose you to the natural rhythm and intonation of English speech. So why not learn while having fun? There are some English sounds that can be tricky to pronounce. Rhymes can help you remember them. For example, for th sound, think about your thumb, don't bite your tongue. For r and l, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Repeat these rhymes several times, and you'll find it much easier to get those tricky sounds right. Stress patterns in English words and sentences can also be confusing. You can use songs to help you memorize them. Happy birthday, for sentence stress. When you say, happy birthday to you, you naturally stress the words, happy, and you. This helps you understand that not all words in a sentence are stressed equally. Twinkle twinkle little star, for word stress. Take the word, universe. It's stressed on the first syllable, universe. Now sing it to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, universe, how big you are. 1. Start small. Begin with short rhymes and simple songs. 2. Record yourself. Listen to see if you're getting the stress and pronunciation right. 3. Mix it up. Don't just stick to one rhyme or song. The more you know, the more you grow. There you have it. A fun and effective way to improve your English pronunciation and stress patterns using rhymes and songs. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. It can be as enjoyable as singing your favorite song. So start humming and mumbling, and before you know it, you'll be speaking English like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this technique as useful as I have. Until next time, keep practicing.